Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change air filter Jaguar F Pace, full guide. Open the hood and remove the plastic cover carefully to access the engine filter housing, then locate the cabin filter behind the glove box. Work calmly, keeping fasteners organized and wearing gloves to avoid dirt. I will walk through removing the old filters, inspecting the housings, and installing new filters with proper orientation and sealing. Start by loosening the clips or screws on the engine airbox and lift the cover straight up to avoid jostling hoses. Pull out the old filter and brush loose debris from the housing with a soft brush or compressed air, taking care not to force debris into openings. Fit the new filter in the same orientation as the old one, reseat the cover, and secure all fasteners snugly without over-tightening to protect plastic parts. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It pairs nicely while you work and adds easy voice control for music and timers, which can be handy during maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you like, and now let's get back to the video. Lower the glove box or remove the under dash panel to reach the cabin filter tray and gently release the retaining tabs to slide the tray out. Remove the old filter and note the airflow arrow, then install the new filter with the arrow pointing toward the cabin for correct flow. Refit the tray and panels, test the HVAC fan at low speed to confirm unobstructed airflow, and tidy any tools before finishing the job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.